Hello guys, I'm showing you our waste management in accordance with the municipality of or the town of the city of Oslo, Norway. The waste management. The green is for the waste foods, and the blue is for the plastic, mga cellophanes, mga ganyan. This one is for cans and glass, the white one. The other one, this green, the other light green is for the common, not food, not plastic, but some other things. And here they are, the blue, the green, and these other things. And these two bins, the one for the papers, that one for papers, and the other one for plastic na we will pump ibalik sa tindahan ang plastic. Ano siya guys, now I'm here at the Sopel Kasa, lahan waste garbage. Ayan, let's open doon, lagay, ayan, iknita ng maigi. Iknita means ano ba sa English, isarado ng mas yung cellophane. Ito yung paper waste, garbage. Yan, hilahin lang yan, birahin, tapos ilagay. Yan, taktak, ibalik. Yan. Kaya guys, minsan nasa focus ka talaga pag mag-throw away ka ng mga bagay-bagay, kasi baka ibang silupin yung makaste eller ma-throw mo, nako, malaking problema. Sige guys, thank you for watching.